Welcome to our channel. Today we will take you to discover the wonderful region of Liguria, located on the northwestern coast of Italy. Liguria is famous for its picturesque coastal towns, breathtaking beaches and spectacular views. In this complete guide, we will show you the 10 things absolutely not to be missed during your visit to Liguria. Let's start our journey with the famous Sanctuary. These 5 charming coastal towns, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Monarola, and Rio Maggiore, are set on rocky cliffs and offer breathtaking views, hiking trails and colorful fishermen's houses. We continue towards the picturesque Portofino, a pearl of the Ligurian Riviera. Here you will find luxurious yachts, high-fashion boutiques and a castle overlooking the sea. Be sure to take a walk in the Portofino Regional Natural Park. The capital of Liguria, Genoa, is a city rich in history and culture. Explore its historic center, admire the largest aquarium in Europe and taste local delicacies in its restaurants. Santa Margherita Ligure is an elegant and refined town with beautiful beaches and a relaxing atmosphere. Enjoy a walk along the seaside promenade and savor the Ligurian cuisine. Camogli is an authentic fishing village with its colorful houses and pebble beach. Don't forget to try the focaccia, a traditional dish from Liguria. Sanremo is famous for its Italian Song Festival, but it is also an elegant city with a beautiful casino and tropical gardens. La Spezia is the ideal starting point for visiting the Cinque Terre and also offers the National Naval Museum, which features a large collection of historic ships. For nature lovers, the Ligurian hinterland offers wonderful hiking trails. The Tuscan-Emilian Apennines National Park is a paradise for hikers. Imperia is a lesser-known but equally fascinating coastal city. Explore its beaches, small medieval villages and taste the local olive oil. We end our tour with Sestri Levante, an enchanting city with hidden bays, a lively main square and a welcoming atmosphere. Liguria is a unique region offering a variety of experiences, From the beauty of Cinque Terre to elegant coastal towns and delicious Ligurian cuisine. No matter what attracts you most, Liguria has something to offer all its visitors. So, plan your trip and get ready to discover the beauty of this extraordinary Italian region. Thank you for following us in this complete guide to the 10 things to visit in Liguria. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more great travel guides. See you on the next adventure.